New to Microsoft Teams and not sure where to start? In this beginner-friendly guide, I'll show you the basics of Teams, including how to navigate the app, send messages, use Teams and channels, join meetings, share files, and adjust your settings. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're inside, you'll see the main navigation for features like Chat, Teams, Calendar, Calls, and other apps. The exact layout can vary depending on your account and current Teams version. Let's start with Chat. Select New Chat, enter the person's name or email address and type your message, then select Send. You can also attach files, add links, use formatting, and mention people when needed. Next are Teams and Channels. Think of a team as a larger group, such as a department, project, or class. Channels organize conversations around specific topics or work. Standard channels are available to all team members, while private and shared channels can have more limited access. Meetings are another major part of Teams. You can join a meeting from your calendar, a chat, a channel, or directly from an invitation link. Before joining, check your microphone and camera, then select Join Now. Teams meetings support audio, video, and screen sharing. Once you're in a meeting, you'll find controls for your microphone, camera, chat, participants, and screen sharing. If you don't want to interrupt someone, keep your microphone muted and turn it on when you need to speak. During a meeting, select Chat to send messages to the participants. You can share information, links, or files without interrupting the speaker. Depending on the meeting settings, the chat may also be available before or after the meeting. Teams also lets you share files through chats and channels. Look for the Files area or use the attachment option when writing a message. You can upload documents and access files shared with your team. To keep track of meetings, open Calendar. You'll see your upcoming events, and you can select a meeting to view its details or join when it's time. You can also schedule meetings if your account has that feature enabled. Finally, select your profile picture and open Settings. Here you can adjust notifications, appearance, devices, privacy, and other preferences. If you're just starting out, don't worry about changing everything. The default settings are usually enough to get going, and that's the basics of Microsoft Teams for beginners. Start with Chat, learn how Teams and channels work, then practice joining meetings, sharing files, and using the main settings. So take it one feature at a time, and Teams will quickly become much easier to use.